driving alongside Loch Loyal. It's clear as glass, it's lovely, and it seems to go on forever. Lots of passing places on this wee road, so that's handy. Coming up to some roadworks now. Looks like they may be doing something to the bridge. Got a wee ramp here. Doing. He's waiting for you, love. The British workforce, hard on their phones. Here we go. So we're still on the A836. Heading towards Bonar Bridge. Ultimately, we're maybe stopping Larg for a cup of tea. Going over this cute little bridge. Very narrow. And this is us coming into Altnahara. Lots of little bridges. Altnahara Hotel. Leaving Altnahara. So we're about to go over one of the many cattle grids. So Ratley, the camper van's going to get rattlier. So this is us arriving at Larg. We're going to hopefully stop and grab a cup of tea somewhere, because that little road with all the passing places took twice as long as what we were thinking, and we're both parched and starving. Here we are now, coming into Larg. There's one wee cafe, the Pier. It's open. We've got a Spar, not a Lidl. That's parking for a woodland walk. So this is all the rocks of North Scotland. Sandstone, fossil tree, Monian, marble, limestone, pipe rock. Lots of things I can't pronounce, but there we are. How amazing is that? All together in the one place. I'm actually checking they've got granite. Oh, they have. Granite. Oh, there's people out fishing for the salmon. Well, one person. It's more about the salmon. Oh, so Thomas Telford's bridge was destroyed in a flood, and this is actually the second bridge, which was opened in 1973.
So it's Tuesday morning. This is what we're waking up to today. We stayed in a car park at Bonar Bridge. We were there. Again, I'll leave the what 3 words. And this is just in the banks of the Dornoch Firth. Apparently the fishermen were saying that there's otters kicking about here and grabbing all their fish. I reckon if it'll pick it up on the GoPro, but there's a whole heap of geese over here. It's a cracking wee pitch. Apart from one guy, he's obviously got some kind of power washer in his van, and 6 o'clock in the morning he thought it was a great idea to go outside and do some power washing. So here's our wee van again. I think this is a designated camper van spot just beside Bonar Bridge. It's a bridge in the background there. There's a bucket, that's about it. There's no toilets or anything about here. There's a wee shoppy, wee spar across the other side of the bridge. So we're heading off now. We're heading back to Tain. Hopefully get a quiet day, get some more videos edited for this epic channel. So here's Bonar Bridge.
This is us. We've now headed into Ross and Cromarty. Still the same beautiful scenery. It's 20 to 10 and we are heading to somewhere for brekkie.